Alright, hello everyone, and I apologize for no video yesterday. I had quite a few things on. I had work till midday, and then it was just one of those days where quite a few things happened. Had a few things going on around the house, like things getting this guy coming around, this person coming around to sort things out, and I went out for dinner with a very good friend. So it sort of was one of those things where I'm like, and then I got home, and I'm like, I got home at like 8:30, and I have to get up at 2:15. So I'm like, well, um, probably not worth making a video. So gold, this is what it's doing. I'm at break even now with this. I got in 1307 or so, or maybe a little bit high, 1307.8 or point 0.9. So we're just above break even now. And I also got the Aussie dollar on the daily. So this is, look, I mean, it's a little aggressive because the candle isn't closed. Um, Here it is. So I don't have too much risk on this. I'm probably going to actually uh, I could probably double the position right now. So it's only like not even 1%. It's like 0.7%. Gold was 2%. So what's currently on. Yeah, definitely I'll probably be adding to this position. So yeah, it's and this will be taken on the Oanda account as well. Just looking at this daily candle, I'm sort of happy to take that, to be honest. So we'll see what happens with that. What else? What else? What else? Aussie yen. Okay. Aussie yen. I noticed this is no. Okay, it's on the 4 hours. Wait for it to load. Okay, so it has loaded. Aussie yen is not that exciting, so I apologize. I'm wasting everyone's time bringing that up. So we want to talk about that. USD CAD. Looney. No. It's always good to get some perspective on the high time frames. The daily, it's interesting. Like if it's at a turning point, and there's been a bit of pullback. People we potentially adding into shorts here, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. There's some potential. I mean, that's 55, so the stop would be there. Definitely some good potential there. So we'll see. And so I've covered gold. I've covered the Aussie dollar. The Kiwi. The Kiwi. I I'd be a little I don't want to be long both Aussie and Kiwi against US dollar. So see the pound actually. I think it's retraced a little bit. Yeah, so it's bounced, and we'll see what it wants to do. It's interesting with the pound. I mean, I was in the pound yen earlier in the week, and that's been it was closed out. So it was a trailing exit thing, and I closed it out manually. Um, Look, I mean, it was over 2% unrealized at one point. So yeah, I mean, it's unfortunate, but in these situations, it was at break even. Well, it was above break even with the stop, and I just didn't know how long. It could have run a little bit longer, so I would have moved the stop some more. And it's one of those things. Hindsight's really great. So I'm going to leave that for now. In regards to trading that pair Aussie Kiwi, I want to see what this is doing. Okay, so a little bit of strength. Check out the euro to see what it's doing. Oof, actually, euro pound. It's probably at a bounce. Yep. So not taking, selling that. Again, euro pound. There's a lot going on with the Brexit situation. Now they're talking renegotiations with the EU. So who knows? It's crazy. It's going to be a lot of instability, sorry, a lot of uncertainty, so it could get, wild in the currency markets. So that's all. You either go in with huge wide stop loss and you're just like, whatever, I'm just told to trade for like a year or something, or you you just be a little bit sensible, and it's a little bit choppy right now. If you have like a long-term thesis, that's all. But it's just that's hard for most people to deal with if they're trying to grow an account. And the euro, okay, so against US dollar, and the government shutdown is temporarily over. But again, talking dynamic situations, it is. So US dollar strength is topsy turvy. I mean, it's it's sort of looking like Aussie. The US is a little weaker against a few pairs, so but nothing crazy. So it's pretty quiet. Those are the trades, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.